Look at him, look at him, look at him. He's riding with no goggles. Single tracking it, no goggles. No goggle guy. Not gonna lie, guys, my face is sweating. My goggles are on the inside are fogging up. He's gonna go that way. He likes to go that way. He does it easy. Try not to scrape my helmet in here. Scrape your helmet in here, it'll be destroyed. Oh, look at that eagle. Hawk. I think that was an eagle, guys. It was huge. Hopefully you guys saw it. That's pretty gnarly. Take you guys down the stretch where I hit that shelf and it completely cut up the front end on the bike. I mean, front end, it was like hitting a wall. It's pretty gnarly. Pretty gnarly. Here's some Graham Jarvis here. Ooh, I got it, but didn't have enough speed, man. That's why I say momentum is a big factor. I did not have enough momentum there. Oh, that's right. I remember this section. It's been a while since we've been up. We haven't actually been up here since I hit that shelf. I gotta put some more grip glue on mine. Got a little air there. I guess that's a good time to place my levers now. I bent the living hell out of the one. Talking about my bark busters, and I'm not being installed, and I jinxed myself. You know, what are you gonna do? I'm sure it's not like a... My lever is really, really tight now. Really, really tight. Feels like it's not nice and comfortable anymore. Well, I guess that just means I gotta replace my levers now. I've been wanting to do that anyways. That's something I've been wanting to do, was replace my levers. That section's got some pretty gnarly rocks in it. There we go. It's nothing for the 250L. I haven't treated my goggles in a long time. I think that's why they're... Yeah, we both popped that piece of the mud puddle. Well, I guess I'm stuck hitting it. No big deal. I don't know what he was doing there, but it worked. That's funny as hell. I didn't expect that to work for him, but it did. I gotta tell you, I kind of like this lever being bent. You wanna know why I like this lever being bent? Because I two-finger my clutch, and usually the end of the ball holding tight onto the bars would squish my finger. Now with it being bent outwards, it doesn't do that. So that's a plus. That is definitely a plus. A wise man once said, that wise man knows who he is. You go too slow, guys, and you try to come across obstacles like that, you're gonna just go down. You're gonna make a mistake, man. Give it some speed, throttle out, and with the momentum, the bike will just work its way up. Even if there's minimal traction, you know, it'll still work its way up. Got a Veggie again. You guys know what a Veggie is. Call it the Veggie. Hopefully the stabilization on this looks really good. I haven't really had the chance to test it. I'm testing it out today. It's the Hero 8 Black. We're testing out the stabilization for sure on it today. Get the moving a little. Get some air flowing on us. This is that really that spot that loves to screw me over too. Not today, guy. Not today. Don't know what I hit there. Was in the mud pit. It's like there. I completely tried to go around to that, but like something ricocheted me right into it. Like, what are you gonna do? That looked like charcoal in the middle of the trail. Or something just popped the squat. That's all that was. Either or. Either or. Hey, so just so you know, the person who asked what that black thing was on the camera, that one spot on my video, it was tape. Somebody took a roll of tape, wrapped the roll around the tree, left the big roll connected to the piece they wrapped around the tree. So the roll of tape was hanging off of the actual tape that was wrapped around the tree. So always a fun spot right here. don't remember if that muddy spot was coming up right up here or where it was. That's a new tree. Get that momentum back up. Whew. You got to when it comes to that. I forgot about that section. I usually go up the shelf. Didn't make it there. It's been a little while since we rode this spot, so you guys can see I got a bad... Ooh, someone chopped that down. Yeah. That used to cover the whole portion of the trail there. Not anymore. You got some good fellow trail riders, man. You know. Oh, there's that log. Man, I thought that was the tree back there. Ooh. New tree down.
I'ma make you take it all back. You ain't never gonna give me man, I'm too fast. Call me the juice, that 40-yard dash.
Good air there.
No, never look back. I just spit the truth, better listen to my facts. Give me up in the booth and I put them on my backs. When I spit the truth, they all listen to the facts. Got nothing to lose, so I put them in the pad. That's what I do, hard work, always last. And the pain's not an act.
Yeah, that race technical is amazing, guys.
To attack what you want to attract, or you're gonna look back and regret what you lack. Everybody knows that's a fact. Yeah, I just want my words to impact. Yeah, I just want my words to all last. Yeah, not sorry if I put you on blast. They know just what they see on the outside.